So traders, this is going to be one of the interesting videos that you are going to watch about trading. The reason why I say that is because today alone I have encountered losses. Okay, I think 1 to 2 trade loss on a row today, and sincerely, I can tell you for a fact that the losses that I have, okay, I actually failed to document it. Yeah, I failed to document it. And I also think that the market is just acting somehow today. All right, so and on this video, with the data that I have built for the gold market, I think that gold is about to collapse. Okay, so and it's just that I have this strong belief in me that gold is about to collapse, because the setup that I'm currently seeing on gold is like, it is unusual. Okay, it is unusual. So, and even though I have made losses today, okay, even though I have made losses today, I want to actually, because I still have this strong belief that gold is going to sell. Okay, I still have the belief that gold is going to sell. So I just want to stick to that plan, even though I have made losses today. In fact, my funded account is the balance that I have right now is I think I can't remember, but I know that I'm down to okay, let me just show you. So right now, this is my funded account dashboard, and as you can see right there, that the balance is 15K balance is 47 thereabouts, and the other one is, they are almost the same thing. Okay, so I have lost about 276 on this, and I have lost about $240 on this one as well. So, and the maximum loss that I can lose on this trade is $400. Yeah, my maximum loss is at 8%, and currently I only have $123 left to trade these accounts before I blow it up. All right, and same thing applies to this. It also applies to this one as well. Okay, so I also have $159 left to trade these accounts. Okay, so and so right now, let me just go back to the charts. Okay, let me go back to the charts, and let me just show you a few things that I realized on gold. Okay, so on 4 hour time frame, you can see that price is actually in an uptrend, right? Price has been creating higher highs and higher highs thereabouts. Okay, and you can see that this is a valid 4 hour supply zone. But when I go to 1 hour time frame, I actually look at how price has been reacting. Okay, I look at how price has been reacting, and I notice that price created higher highs and higher highs and higher low. Okay, so but price has not created a new high on the 1 hour time frame, and that is where I want to actually where I'm actually concerned about. Okay, that is what is giving me concern, like it's giving me concern a lot. So right now, this is my 1 hour break of structure to the upside, which means this is a valid 1 hour break of structure to the upside. So after that, the next thing that I did is I went down to 15 minutes. In fact, even without going down to 15 minutes time frame, this is the last higher low, right? So it means that price simply came all the way down here, okay, to break this higher low. And sincerely, based on my trading plan, this is a market shift. Okay, so I can simply tag this as 1 hour market shift, right? So since that is my 1 hour market shift, okay, so let me just delete a few things here so I can explain very well. All right, so since this is my 1 hour market shift, sincerely, because this is higher time frame narrative, and I don't want to neglect this higher time frame narrative. I don't want to neglect it based on my trading plan. And one thing that I actually observe on this, on this current price is that price sweep liquidity above here. This is a liquidity sweep above here. So now, since we have liquidity sweep above here, on normal basis, I expect that price will respect this, this buying candle that actually failed to move to the upside. Price is going to retest this zone, and price has already done that, right? So this is my 1 hour supply zone. Now the next thing is that let us go and see how price has reacted on 5 minutes time frame. Now look at the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is the 1 minute time frame, and based on my trading plan, what I want to look out for here is another lower time frame market shift. So, and what I observe right now is that price created higher highs and higher low, then price make a little break of structure to the upside, then from there price break this low. So what do I mean by that? This is the last higher low. Okay, this is the last higher low. So I think I should just I should also mark this place up. Okay, so as my 5 minutes break of structure, Adra Joba mi look in 5 minutes break of structure, right? And this is my 5 minutes market shift. So these are valid zone. So this is 5 minutes market shift. Oh look, 5 minutes market shift. So since this is my 5 minutes market shift, so I'm going to expect price to actually retest this buying candle that actually failed. So this is my 5 minutes supply zone, right? So this is 5 minutes supply zone. I think I should increase the color of this. So now the next thing that I'm really expecting price to do right now, because on 1 hour time frame I can see a clear liquidity sweep, right? I can see a clear liquidity sweep. So since a clear liquidity sweep as shown, and on 5 minutes time frame I can see on the 5 minute time frame that price has also created 5 minutes break of structure to the upside, and price has already break the last higher low on the lower time frame. And sincerely, based on my trading plan, this actually applies to my trading plan, and that is why I say that I have a strong feeling that gold is about to crash down. Okay, I have a strong feeling that gold is about to crash down, and this is just my narrative about this gold. Okay, this is my narrative about it. So my entry is going to be somewhere around there, and I'm going to be risking about, let me say, $20 thereabouts. Okay, not $20 per se. Okay, not $20 per se. So since this is $20 right there, so I'll be risking about $120 on this trade. I'll be risking about $120 on this trade, and I'm going to take my profits. And another thing is that when price come all the way up here to come and retest this place, okay, I'm going to expect a rejection candle. Okay, I mean, I'm going to expect probably a bearish engulfing candlestick, or probably a bearish pin bar, something like that. Okay, so if I see this candle formed around this zone right there, then I'm going to take this trade. I am going to take this trade. All right, so I just hope that this trade actually play out. Sincerely, I hope that this trade actually play out, because if it doesn't play out, man, out of how much do I have left right now? I have this is 1, 2, 3. This is $123 there, and I also have 100 and almost 160. So 160 plus plus 1, 2, 3, that is 283. Yeah, that's 283. And if I'm risking 120, so that will be, I'll be left with 100 and probably 40. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, 140. So I think I have only 2 bullets to go on my funded account. I have only 2 bullets to to preserve on my accounts, because I don't want to neglect the fact that I have made losses today, and seeing the trade align with my trading plan, because the trade that I've lost today, I know very well that it is based on my emotion and also market manipulation as well. Okay, so but since this current trade has already aligns with my trading plan, then I don't want to hesitate. I don't want, at this time around, I don't want my emotion to control me not to take this trade, because it is very clear as day that price has shifted from buying to selling. And you know looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is a clear liquidity sweep. It is a very clear liquidity sweep. So I expect price to come and retest this zone. Really, I expect it to come and retest this zone. So let me just check. In fact, it's almost there. It's almost getting there, because I think I just need to have a little more patience for price to actually come all the way up here, and then from there I'm going to take a sell trade. So that is how it's going to be, and I'm so eager to see the result of this trade as well. Okay, all right, so eventually I lose this trade once again. So this actually means that I've had about 3 losses in a row on a single trade. Really, 3 losses on a row. And currently I can say that I only have 1 shot left in my funded account. You know, I did not even pass the phase one of the accounts. But okay, so I think I should just focus on. Okay, I just want to show you the dashboard. All right, so can you see right now that my the account analytics is not pleasing. Really, it is not pleasing. So probably I'm going to do another video regarding that, but based on my setup right here. Okay, so I later found out this morning that this trade was a loss. Okay, so, and because it was a loss, all right, so I couldn't, I just have to accept the loss, right? I just have to accept the loss, and um this is just on another level. I mean that the mindset on this, and the psychology, the emotion, reaction, and all of that, this is on another level entirely. So, but it is what it is. So I think the best thing for me to do right now is that I need to preserve the last bullets that I have in my account. I mean the last capital that I have in my account, to actually look for a high probability trade setup. So if I can get to that, okay, so I know that the story of this funded account is going to change. Okay, so, and what I actually discover about gold is that for like ever since price has already break through the daily demand zone. Okay, so ever since we have this market shift on the 4 hour time frame, okay, I have already been trying to look for a buy setup actually ever since then, but eventually price didn't come my way. Okay, price didn't come my way. So, and I think another thing that I actually observe on this trade is that I was so much obsessed, okay, in such a way that I'm actually seeing market shifting. Okay, so, and if you look at even the 1 hour time frame right now, you see that market was actually shifting. Okay, so there is a shift in structure around here. Okay, so there is a shift in structure here, kind of this is 1 hour market shift, right? And also there is a there is a break of structure to the upside right there. Yeah, there is a 1 hour break of structure right there as well. So, and for this zone like this now, okay, it is a sell trade. Okay, so it's not that my analysis is not working, it's not that it's not working, but it's just that the higher time frame narrative of gold, I did not actually consider it. Okay, so, and I think that is the reason why I actually have this loss. All right, I think that's the reason why I have this loss. So, but it is what it is. So this is not the end of the world, right? This is not the end of the world, and I just believe that um I just need to actually do more wraps. I mean, to actually do more back testing, isn't it? I need to do more back testing to actually prove myself to work with the higher time frame narrative. And another thing that I actually observe is that I think I'm too glued to trading the gold market. So, although I'm going to do another video that I'm going to explain all of that, okay? So, but I know that I'm too glued to trade the gold market. So, I think I need to actually, test out other pairs, okay? Unlike the Forex pair, the standard Forex pairs, which is probably the Euro USD. Although I have my watch list right here. So I have the Euro USD and GBP JPY as well, and also BTC. Okay, so, and so I'm just going to be trading in between these pairs, So probably if I trade gold to this week, I'm going to trade another currency next week. I'm going to trade another currency the next 3 weeks and all of that. Okay, so that's something that I actually observe. Okay, so that is what it is about this gold, about this trade. Okay, about this trade. So, and I know that this is a call to me to actually sit tight again and do enough wraps, and that is what I'm going to be doing in the next week, like the remaining days of this month. That's what I'm going to be doing. All right, I'm not going to, although if the trade idea actually comes to me, I mean, if the setup comes to me, so I'm going to use my last bullet, my last my last fund, because on this one right now I have about $90 to trade this gold, to trade this. I have $90 on this before the account gets to, before they deactivate the account, and I also have $54 on this one as well. So that is just how it is. All right, so I hope that this has been a great experience. Really, it has been a great experience, and I just hope that you also is learning from my mistakes and my winning streak and my losing streak as well. So that is what it's going to be. Okay, so I will probably see you in the next video. Okay.